What's going on, everybody? I'm back today and I'm just messing with my truck. It's a rainy day, can't do much of anything, so I went to town and I got some lights for my truck. I got some lights from Tractor Supply. It's just two little LEDs, and I'll show you where I'm going to put them. But here's the issue I've got, which is why I bought them. So let me show you what that problem is. Late at night when I'm driving down back roads, or especially when it's raining, and I go to turn left on a road or right on a road, when I look out that window, or I look out this window, I can't even see anything. It's pitch black. So I'm going to try and fix that problem by taking those lights that I bought, and I'm going to mount these things up under here somewhere, just pointed out to the side, so at night I can see where I'm going when I make a turn. Because when I make turns now, it's pretty much just a shot in the dark. I'm just guessing at it. So I'm going to figure out how to mount these lights up in there and wire them up and see how it works. Hopefully makes it easier to see at night. So let me work on this. Alright, I think I figured out where I'm going to mount it, or at least where I'm going to try mounting it. Right up in here, I'm going to drill a hole right there and tap it so that one of these bolts can thread into it with this brackety thing. So I'm going to run inside and find the drill bit and the tap for that. And just, I feel like that would work pretty good. And then I'll like run the wires up through there or something and wire it all up. Yep, hopefully this will work. Alright. Alright people, I'm back from lunch. I figured out what I'm going to do, or at least for the wiring. I haven't decided where I'm going to mount it completely yet, but for the wiring,
it's squirting.
I'm going to tap into this wire here, which is for the fog lights, because I'd like these lights to come on with the fog lights. So I'm just going to tap into that wire right there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and tap into that, plug up one of the lights, and just put it up here and figure out where exactly I want to mount it. So that's what I'm going to do. What do you think, Cody?
I guess.
Alright, that's what I'm going to do. Cody's going to be my cameraman, I suppose.
Who said?
But probably not going to video this tapping into the wires because, yeah, it's boring. So I'm going to work on that.
It might
Be
blow
back
up.
in a minute.
I'm so shaky.
Well, I mean, the camera's got a gimbal on it.
I know. Just saying, I'm so shaky. I don't know if I've ever seen any solder. Ah! Little Osmo,
Alright,
you're so
give me
pretty.
the cord to the light.
The cord to the light. Let's see. How does this work? There we go. There you go. Little Osmo. I think you gotta actually hit the solder for it to actually do something. Learn how to work. See how easy? I'm getting my shirt wet for ya. Ooh. Go get the light, buddy. Ooh, he's texting
Alright,
his
I need the
girlfriend.
light. I need the light.
Here you go. Here you go, little boy.
Hopefully this does. I mean, it should work like this.
Hopefully it
Alright,
doesn't
you ready?
blow up. Yeah. Do it. Do it, my boy. Maybe it won't blind us.
Ready?
Yeah. works. Let's see. What about that right there? It's kind of blinding.
It's not super bright.
It's not as bright as you thought it was it? Is it? Yeah. It's not a billion lumens like those.
Here. Let me get down there.
Yay!
Wow.
Whew.
What a hole.
No, that's not what I want you to follow. So I don't want GoPro or Osmo.
That's cool. That's cool, man.
That's cool, man.
That's cool, man. Man, that's cool. That cool, man.
That cool.
That cool. That cool, man.
Look at this donkey. Whoops. Hi, Lucy. Sounds like somebody's racing. Look at this cute donkey. Alright, so this is the first one. This is the first one that we got hooked up. This is a wire that runs from the other one to there. We're gonna hook it up to there. And then over here we got it hooked up, and the wire runs up over the frame up there. And yep, Mark's about to zip tie that plug. Adults. Okay.
There's a tie of wires.
Okay. Alright, he's up under there. Do you want me to cut this and then yeah, Mom?
As long as you cut the right length.
Alright, where are they? Do you have the pliers? That's over here.
Clippers are over there.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, you can't see things from right there. Can't see much from right here, but wow, that's some big wire.
Yep, this wire's too big, but this is what I got.
This is all you got.
This is all I got.
This is all it takes. But it works.
Alright, Cody, we need to
Solder.
solder.
Solder in the iron. There you go. The studs. Okay. Let's put a rock in it. There you go.
Alright, I'm going to need your assistance on this.
Okay. Look at that lovely poop. Look at that. That's so pretty. And that. And that. And that. And let's see. Where is it? And that. It's pretty.
Alright, we got the lights on. I got this one wired up. I got all the wires wired up to this one spot because I didn't want to have to splice into multiple places. So this light's hooked up right there, and then I got wires running over to the other side. But I'm gonna adjust them whenever it gets darker where I can see where the beam is at. It's all over that bucket, but when it gets dark, I'm going to adjust them. I'm going to tilt them up and down and get them like I want them. And then we'll go from there. Well, not go from there, but hopefully, like at night when I'm driving and I need to turn, I can see where I'm trying to turn. So that's this video. I hope you liked it. I didn't really have anything to do today, so I went to TSC and got some lights just to do this. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any comments, leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Thanks for watching.